Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to change date and time in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to General Management. Go to General Management and here select date and time. And first turn off automatic date and time so that you can set date and time manually. Click on set date and change date. Here I change date to 14th February. Click on done and click on set time and here change time. Here I would like to change time to 2:04 p.m. If you would like to set in AM, click on move like this and AM will appear. Here now I set 2:04 p.m. and click on done and go to the lock screen and see the changes. Date and time have been changed. Okay, if you would like to set date and time automatically, go to settings again and go to general management. Go to general management and go to date and time and you have to turn on automatic date and time. Suppose if you would like to set time in 24-hour format, click here and 24-hour format timing will be followed. See here, instead of 2:04 p.m. 14:04 will be showing in the timing. Okay, suppose if you would like to use automatic date and time, just turn on this button and date and time will be updated automatically in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.